Nice.
So where are we, Coley?
We are renting a buggy.
A buggy?
Yep. They call it buggies here. What do you call them?
Oh, the side by side.
Okay. So they call it buggy, side by side. We're gonna rent it. Check out the island.
By the way, this is the new port here in Mykonos, not the old port, which we have a ride, but apparently you have to pay for a shuttle bus to get to the real world here. Not everybody's so happy about that. With Travel Hack, we all have a cell phone with a camera in it. Quickly walk around whatever vehicle you're renting, video the whole thing, and then you have a record of what it was like when you received it in case there's a dispute afterwards. Mykonos is so beautiful, but it is so congested. If you're gonna rent a vehicle, whether it be a quad, a car, or a side-by-side like this, please drive carefully. It's crazy, lots of near-death experiences. As you drive the island, you will find beautiful beaches like this everywhere. It's really cool. Okay, I think it's time to dismount here in the main village of Mykonos, get some lunch and do some shopping. This would be the perfect time to hit that like button, smash that subscribe, that was old school style, right? And put a comment in below. Have you been to Mykonos? What did you really like? Did you like the shopping or was it more about the beaches? Comment below, let us know. Okay, so we've been adventuring around for a couple hours.
Exploring the rock of an island. Definitely rocky. Like boulders all over the place.
It's just basically a rock. A windy rock
Yeah.
with beautiful beaches.
Yeah.
And now we're gonna get some lunch and walk around the kind of center part of town and show you the windmills.
Want to get to Venice, get on a flight and fly to Venice.
You didn't know this was a comedy channel, did you? Okay, things to know about Mykonos. It is crazy, ridiculous, windy, hence the heritage of the windmills. These are obviously just for show now, and now it is time for Nikki to feed me.
Lunchtime!
Lunchtime. Okay, so here's the punchline to that earlier joke. This area is called Little Venice or Mini Venice because this is how it looks. And so we were kind of joking as we were trying to figure out the directions, how to get to Venice. And so her answer to the joke was, take a flight. All right, let's get back to the tour. So this little shopping area here is really interesting. A lot of really very generic-y kind of stuff, as cool and as authentic as this looks. Lots of it was very generic, probably made in China. But we found some really cool local artists as we wandered around. I think that was the best part about this village and shopping, was the artistry. Obviously, it is just a sea of humanity, which, you know, it's a really popular place. So there are 80 bazillion tourists here. You just got to kind of look past it and really enjoy it because it is an amazing place. Whew, finally we made it. That was a lot of work. All right, we're just going to grab ourselves some quick lunch, looking out over this beautiful scenery, and then we'll get back to our tour here. We're going to get back in our side-by-side and cruise around and really enjoy the back road stuff because we've seen all the commercial beaches here already. It's amazing when you find things like this little church in front of somebody's house. It's so cool. So let's make one more stop. Let's motor around and find ourselves a local beach. We actually pulled up and saw this, which was just obviously beautiful. I'll take the drone out and show you what it looks like, but here's a little drone tip about Mykonos. The airport is centrally located here in Mykonos, so a lot of the island you actually can't fly on. So if you were asking for my recommendation, I'd say don't bring your drone. If you're gonna really get out on the edges of the island like this, there are places where you can fly, and it is obviously beautiful. You can put your angry comments below, but I'm from New York and Florida, and I'll put our beaches up against these beaches any day. I mean, obviously, it's got a romantic, cool, different feel here, but beach-wise, I don't know about that. So we did have this one really strange experience on our way back to return the side-by-side and go back to the cruise ship. All of a sudden, we were on this dirt road. And then, even more strange, all of a sudden, it was spinning out and doing donuts, all this crazy stuff. I really don't know what happened. I was so surprised. I'm sure you're all surprised to hear that I found a dirt road and was doing donuts with a side-by-side. But in any case, you had to have some fun, right? I really hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If you're going to go to Mykonos, it is a great place to go. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below, and we will see you next time. Hey, I hope you really liked that video. If you did, right here below me is a button which you could click to subscribe so that you always get our notifications. If you want to just watch another video real quick, right here below, this is a video that YouTube thinks you'll really like. And then right up here is a selection of videos from this European trip we just went on, so you could kind of continue the adventure there. In any case, keep commenting and watching, and we'll see you next time.